everyone. In this video we are going to try the Rislone oil stabilizer engine supplement. So lately I've been hearing a little bit of knocking or tapping from the engine. It has about 118,000 miles on it, and went out to get oil. Thought I'd give this a try. So normally I use the Pennzoil full synthetic high mileage, and that does good. But it's been a couple of days since oil change, and figured we'd give this a shot. Okay, so let's look at what the benefits are. So here it increases film strength, lowers temperature, prevents thermal breakdown, reduces friction, quiets noise. So we'll see if it really does that, and prevents dry starts. Alright, the directions are for best high mileage and older engine protection. Add to your favorite brand of oil anytime at or between oil changes. Additionally, this is good for gasoline and diesel, and also looks like motorcycles and marine. Alright, so let me start this up, and then we'll get to the next step. Alright, so I've got the engine started up. I hope you guys can hear myself and somewhat of the knocking from the engine. So the first thing we'll do is we'll undo the oil cap. I've got my funnel, so we'll get our funnel in place. And the consistency of this when I open the bottle is pretty thick. So let's see what happens here. The directions say that one bottle will treat up to 4 to 8 quarts. So, and you can add this either at the time of oil change or in between. Alright, so far nothing. We'll give it a few minutes. So since I've recently done the oil change on here, and I added, how many was this? This was about 16.9 ounces of the treatment. I'll go ahead and just double check the oil. Make sure that we're still good. So here, I'm not sure you can see, but it's covering the boat dots and a little bit more. So I'm going to drive it for a bit and I'll check it again. In the meantime, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've used other engine treatments that are effective. Now the cars are running for about 5 minutes, and the idle is back to normal. It's a slight difference in the engine sound. So we'll test this further and see how it goes. And again, this is the product Rislone oil stabilizer engine supplement, designed for high mileage. Good for gasoline, diesel, marine, and motorcycle. So for other applications such as marine and motorcycle, just follow the instructions on the back of the bottle. I hope this video helps. We'll see you next time.